Hi everyone, I'm Christophe, CEO and co-founder of Zaros, and here is Fabien, the CTO. We are a French startup based in Paris at the famous Station F incubator. Before starting the presentation, I wanted to ask you a question. What will look like a typical day of work of an insurer in 2028? That's not easy to say. But what is sure is that in 2028, AIs, artificial intelligences, will help, will assist, and in a way will augment insurance employees. Because the reality is that today, insurance employees, like customer advisors or claim managers, lose a lot of time and energy to access decision-making data to answer to their clients. This data is trapped into complex IT systems, sometimes in not one system, but up to 10 different systems. And 40% of time is lost into this search of information. That's why we decided at Zaros to develop a technology that helps insurers to better serve their clients with the support of artificial intelligence. How does it work? I will now switch to the demo. Let's say you are a customer advisor. You are in front of your traditional CRM software, and you are in front of a customer, or you are on the phone with a client, and you want to upgrade this client with a new home insurance plan. Your technology can take the form of a virtual assistant that can be integrated into any environment or any discussion interface. So here, if you open the interface, the assistant will start to guide you as a customer advisor into the process of selling the product. So the assistant will start here. It will be in French because it recognizes my friend Fabien, but if you interact with him in English, of course, he will switch to English. And it will provide you with what we call next best actions, a little bit like a GPS for the road. It will help you to sell your product. So here, let's say you have a new need with your customer. As your system is connected to all your insurance data on the CRM, here you have immediate access to relevant information and predictive scores like risk scores and behavior information about your customer. Here we will provide a new home quotation. The assistant will ask you some extra information that you can enter in natural language. And it will provide you immediately with sales arguments that are computed with a mix of business rules and predictive machine learning, so that this argument is the most suited to maximize the chance of selling the product. So here, as we have in the claim history signs of damages due to freezing, we will put in front this argument. Generally, at this step, the customer will ask questions about pricing. So here, the assistant is one step ahead with you. You have immediate access to information of pricing. Finally, at the end of the session, the advisor will be able to give a feedback on the client decision. You can click on client decision. And these feedbacks are tracked and will help our underlying machine learning system to improve itself. It means that with this new sales attempt, the next sales attempt will be improved based on the feedback of this attempt. We have a backend that we can show here that will help to monitor the performance of the sales assistants and its interaction with the employees. And that's where you will be able to connect to your data and to run the predictive machine learning algorithm. To conclude, I will give you some figures about our solution. So several insurers already use our solution in a daily basis. We have several thousand insurance employees who are using the system, serving more than 50 million customers across Europe. On average, our solution drives gains of 40%, and on some tasks, it can improve and reduce time up to 12 times. So what is the benefit of the solution? Is that it reduces dramatically the time to access to relevant data, to maximize what is more important for the customer advisor, discussion with clients, and trying to serve him the best way as possible. We are today here at the IA. We have a booth all the day, so you will be able to discuss with us, and we'll be happy to share with you about your personal use cases. Just to finish, I wanted to say also that we are currently raising our first round of funds. So if there are any investors who want to have more information, feel free also to come with us. We are AI for augmented insurers. We are Xaros. Thank you very much.